Now come to the electrical equipment, that is kitchen equipment. The first one is microwave oven. For this microwave oven, give the switch and socket like this. For the special microwave oven, then electrical hob required, a separate switch and socket, tandoor required, electrical tandoor required, separate switch and socket like this. Idli maker and the hot plate dosa maker has the separate switch and socket like this. Here I can show the switch and socket. This OTG also required something like this. So this is I have just shown. This microwave oven can connect with this 3-pin socket. This electrical hob will be connect with this switch and socket, and this electrical tandoor will also connect with this switch and socket. Idli maker and electrical hot plate for dosa can be connected commonly like this. It can be used alternate. If we are using a idli maker, we cannot use the dosa maker, or when we are using the dosa, we cannot use the idli maker. So this is the way I have installed the switch and socket for this common switch and socket for idli maker and the dosa. The next one is gas hob. Gas hob doesn't require any electrical power supply because the supply is taken from the gas cylinder. OTG. I have given this OTG, and this is the connection I have given with the switch and socket. Now the rest of the thing is here. There is the grill or toaster. Copy this switch and socket and give it at here, maybe at this area. Always keep the switch and socket away from the water area. So this is the water area, this is the wash basin, so that's why I have keep the switch and socket here. The connection will be like this. Now come to the grocery store. Into the grocery store, we need to show the switch and socket like this. Two switches for the LED lighting, and one is the common switch for 3-pin socket. So here I will draw the cable like this, and this switch is the spare for this 3-pin socket. So this is the grocery store. So we have just completed this main kitchen area. Now for this common lighting, this is the common downlight. For this common downlight, we need to give the common power supply cable. For that, we require the electrical power supply point like this. Between this, for this 2 downlighter, the supply point is like this. For the downlight, from here, this is the common supply point, and this supply point will be connected afterward with the main DB or the lighting DB. Again, here is also required the power supply point like this. The same power supply point There is also between these two, like this. So I'm showing this power supply cable connection from the main power supply point like this. This power supply point is coming from the conduit. The main conduit is running from the ceiling, and this is also called as the junction point of the conduit. So from here we can take the power supply, or we can draw the cable from this point. That's why we are calling this as a power supply point. This is also required, a power supply point like this between these two, so we can easily give the power supply like this, here to here, like this. This LED can be connected from here like this. So this is, we have connected the entire passage area LED lighting with the power point. We can take the power from the conduit and from the power supply point, and we can on that LED lighting.